Today on Mike Attempts, making a tractor battery hold down. My old tractor battery had bulging sides and leaked acid, so I picked up a new one. This is the original style 6-volt battery hold down. It didn't fit my old battery very well, and it doesn't fit the new battery at all. So I picked up a 3-foot section of 3/4 inch angle iron to fabricate a new one. Since I'm going to be welding it together, I went with 1/8 inch steel. After measuring the battery, I cut the 4 sides. Then I cut the top corners off at a 45-degree angle. Why not just cut each piece at 45 degrees to begin with? Cutting at 90 degrees makes it easier to get the length exact. Plus, I'll be left with a nice V-notch on the outside corners that I can fill with weld. After cleaning up the ends, they're ready to weld. I started with 2 pieces, checked for square, clamped them down, and welded the outside corner. I added another side and repeated the process until all 4 corners were welded. Then I flipped it over and welded the 45s. After grinding the welds flush and rounding off the corners, I think it's looking pretty good. There are no welds on the inside edges, so it'll sit flush on the battery. I added 1/8 of an inch to each measurement, so there'd be just a little play in both directions. With the battery where I want it, I marked the location of the hold down bolts. Now it's time to make some ears. I could have used the remaining 3 inches of the 3/4 angle iron, but I wanted the ears to be a bit wider. I ended up using some 1 1/4 inch scrap I had laying around. I took some measurements and went to work on the bandsaw. I ended up with this, which fits nicely. So I made another one for the other side. All they need are some holes. I rounded off the outside corners. Time to weld them on. I cleaned up the welds and I think it looks nice. After some paint, it looks even better. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.